In this video, I will show you how to fix can't download anything in Windows 11. If you're unable to download anything on Windows 11, here are some effective fixes. First thing you can do is to open your browser, and then in here, go ahead and click on this three dots at the top right of your screen. Under this, go ahead and look for history and click on history under that. In here, simply click on delete browsing data at the left side of your screen, and then set this into advanced. So once you set that into advanced, set this into all time and then click on this delete data button. Now, if this doesn't work, the second thing you can do is to go ahead and enable storage sense. To do that, open settings on your Windows device and then click on system, and on the system settings, head over into the storage section. In here, simply enable storage sense to automatically free up space. And the last option that you have to fix this problem is to update network adapter driver. To do that, you'll need to open the device manager. So click on WinX and then select device manager on that pop-up. So click on device manager in here, and device manager will pop up in here. So go ahead and look for network adapters from this list and then expand that, and right click on your adapter and select update drive. Choose search automatically for drivers, and that's basically how you can update network adapter driver. That's basically how you can fix can't download anything in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.